Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create poll in Fiverr. So it's very simple. First of all, you need to have Fiverr app in your mobile. But if you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you are using iOS, then go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Fiverr app in my mobile. Just click on this. So here I'm going to this first group chat. And here I have to just create a poll. Just click on the message and click on the plus sign in the left. And you can see here the varieties of option here. Just click on the poll here. And you can see here, ask a question and you can add their options like this. And adding here an option. And tap on the plus sign to add more options. And then tap a create button here. And you have to choose the correct answer before you post this. So mine one is Hulk and create. So yes, your poll is created in the Fiverr group chat. So in this way, you can just easily create poll in Fiverr. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.